was just sent these graduation ties that you can hang up for really cool decorations for your door. These are for the class of 2024, and you just hang these up outside your door to be able to show off your grad. They come in several different colors, so we're gonna go hang these up at the door. They're 13 inches wide by 70 inches long, and the material feels like a nice durable material that will hold up out in the weather. And depending on your school color, there are several other colors. So these have nice little hangers at the top that if you have little door hangs, you can just put them out real nice. One on each side. And then they will show out and they will just show your pride for your graduate. Change out the colors. Said these are really nice because they're not like a paper or plastic that's just going to tear as soon as you hit in the wind. These are a nice fabric that you can roll up and you can save for future. Here are all three colors up close. So you can see the actual quality of this. Like I said, it's not just a paper, it is a nice fabric. And then at the top, you have this nice bar with a little string here that you can easily hang it up. And then at the bottom of each of them, they actually have these little metal rings. So you can actually hang these up to where they won't flap around in the wind. You can actually tie them down, which is also a nice feature.